Hey,
Hi?
it's Ava. I'm the girl of your dreams. Whoopsie, I meant I'm from your history class.
Okay, why are you stuttering? That's weird as frack.
So sorry, I can't control it. You make me nervous. Hahaha.
How did you get my number?
Fate, I guess.
Right.
So, are you, did you wanna—
Just say it.
I was wondering if maybe you wanted to meet up later with me. Just the two of us.
No.
Oh, are you busy?
No.
Oh, I'm guessing you're just nervous. So cute.
Bro, what? Don't text me again, please.
Good morning, handsome.
No, go away.
Uh-huh.
Shut up.
Whoa, someone's a bit angry today. Hehe, thanks in mind, he's so adorable. Are you still there?
Unfortunately. What now? Seriously.
Hehe, you're so impatient. Silly boy. My silly boy.
Listen, Ava, blondes aren't really my type, so can you please stop texting me?
What? I'm a brunette, not a blonde. Wait, who do you think this is?
Ava?
There are two Avas in our history class.
Oh, wait, were you wearing that Hello Kitty t-shirt yesterday?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were the other one.
Haha, no, I'm not the plumpy one.
So you want to go to the movies on Friday?
Are you being for real, or are you just messing with me? You're f***ing with me.
No, you're kind of bad, not gonna lie.
Oh, thank you.
You seen Deadpool x Wolverine yet?
No.
Good, I'll pick you up at 7. Just please act normal. Not this weird texting shit you do.
Haha, okay.
Thank you.
Can we sleep with it in?
For fuck's sake.